Hi guys, this is a ratio to percentage problem lesson. So you get these in most exam papers, higher or foundation, and it's just converting a ratio into a fraction and then into a percentage. So they're all common bits, are all put together, and if you understand all the bits, you're going to find this fine. So I've done the first one and we'll go through it and the rest we'll do as we go along. So the first one asks, in a theatre, the ratio of adults to children is 5 to 3. Among the children, the ratio of boys to girls is 1 to 2. What percentage of all the people in the theatre are girls? So the first thing we did is we put our adults to children. And remember, they're always in the order that they're written. So that's adults to children. And this will be boys to girls. So you don't guess it. They're in a particular order. It's easier, it's smoother to do it one way. So we have 5 to 3 for the adults and 1 to 2 for the boys to girls. So the first thing we do is our basic ratio. As we know, we find out how many parts there are, and we've got 5 to 3. So we add those, which equal 8 parts. So our denominator is now 8, and it asks us among the children. So this is our children here. So we're going to put 3 as our numerator. So we've now found 3 over 8. Okay. Next one, boys to girls, 1 to 2. Same again, as usual, we add them up and we get 3 parts. And it's asking the percentage of all the people in the theatre that are girls. So if the girls, we know here it's 2. So that numerator becomes 2. So we know as a fraction, it's 2/3 of girls. Now we need to convert it, and to do that, we're going to put it into fractions. So we get our information that we've just found out, and we basically multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. 8 times 3 is 24. Can we simplify it? We always ask that question. Yes, we can. 6 into 24, so it's 1, and it goes in 4 times. Therefore, that's what these little, what looks like a paw print means. It's shortened for therefore. 1/4 equals 25%. So we've done all those steps and converted them. And we're going to do the same all the way through. In a club, the ratio of teachers to students is 1 to 9. Among the students, the ratio of boys to girls is 4 to 5. What percentage of everyone in the club are girls? So he's asking for girls again. So, as we know, it's in order. So that's going to be teacher to student, which I've got here. We've added it up to 10, so it's 10 parts. Now we need to work out among the students, it tells us. So we're looking at the students. So the answer is going to be 9 students out of 10. So that's that bit sorted. Next one, boys to girls, is 4 to 5. I've added that up, so we've got 9 parts. So that's that denominator, and it's asking for girls, and girls are 5. Put it into the fraction and multiply. Times 5 over 9. 9 times 5 is 45. All over 90. Can we simplify it? Of course we can. It's a half. And I think we all know what a half is as a percentage. 50%. So 50% of everyone in the club are girls. At a swimming pool, the ratio of members to non-members is 3 to 2. Among the non-members, the ratio of adults to children is 1 to 4. What percentage of all the people at the pool are non-member children? So as before, we've got our members and non-members, 3 to 2. And I've added them up in its 5 parts. So we know that's our denominator is asking for non-members, and our non-members is 2. So we have 2/5 as non-members. Next one, adults to children. Add them up, which gives us 5. That's our new denominator. And it's asking for non-member children. These are the children. So it's going to be 4/5. Same again. 2/5 times 4/5 equals 8/25. Can we do anything with that? We cannot. This is not as simple as the other ones. So pop it in your calculator, and 8/25 equals 0.32%, or as it is, 32%. Next one, in a car park, the ratio of cars to vans is 7 to 3. So that's 7 to 3. Add it up. Gives us 10 parts. So that's our new denominator. It's asking us among the cars. So that's the cars. So it's 7/10. So red to non-red cars is 2 to 5. Add them up. So new denominator. And it's asking us for red cars. So that's 2/7. (14/70). Can we simplify it? Yes, we can. It goes down to, we could do it the long way. So it goes over 7/35. And then we could go again. 7 into 35 goes 5. So the answer is 1/5. Therefore, 1/5. And you should all know this off the top of your head, that 1/5 equals 20%. Next, in a cinema, the ratio of people to screen A to screen B is 4 to 1. So that's going to be 5 parts, which is our new denominator. It's asking us in screen A. So screen A is going to be 4. So there's our first fraction. Next one, adults to children is 3 to 5. And that's going to be 8 parts. So that's our new denominator. It's asking us for screen A. Screen A is 3. Oh, sorry, my fault. How many children are in screen A? So that's children, which is 5/8. Now we do as normal. 4/5 times 5/8 equals 20/40. Can we simplify it? We can. 20/40 equals a half. And we know a half equals 50%. At an animal shelter, the ratio of cats to dogs is 5 to 3. Among the cats, the ratio of kittens to adults is 2 to 3. What percentage of all the animals in the shelter are adult cats? So we've got 5 to 3, which equals 8 parts. And we have kittens to adult cats, which is 2 to 3. and we know that's 5. So our numerator here is 8, and we're looking for the ratio of cats to dogs. So that's going to be 5. And this is going to be, because it wants adult cats, is going to be 3/5. So we're going to pop all that down. So looks like we might need to calculate possibly. So we've got 15/40. We can cancel this down. 5s into 15 goes 3. 5s into 40, we know goes 8 times. So 3/8 as a percentage is going to be, pop it in your calculator, and it should come out at 0.375, but we want it as a percentage, so it's going to be 37.5%. And there we have it. These are common questions. Hopefully those examples will help you. If you go to my website, I've got a whole new worksheet on these questions with all the solutions. They're all different questions. So yeah, head over to the website and like and subscribe. Bye-bye.